so excited and I just invited. Why? Why so excited, Sandra? Just because I'll meet my crush today. Yes. I'm waiting for the bus. It's just 1 minute more and bus is coming. We're going inside and meet my crush. Oh. On this flower shop? No. Here in this place? Yes. You're right. Here at this place. Open na lid. He opened already the box. But we will do the rest, the unboxing afterwards. He just need to check the battery, so I could buy an extra battery for it. Wasn't it?
Go inside.
I am on my way out from the store so that we can do the unboxing. Yes, you'll meet my crush also. Are you not excited? In this place, in this relaxing place, I'll introduce you to my crush. Isn't it relaxing here? So, instead of going directly home, I decided to go here instead and do the unboxing here. Are you guys ready to meet my crush? Me, I'm so excited to introduce this, not him, to you guys. Okay, I don't have scissors here, so I'll just use my teeth. Open the box. Okay. Ta-da! So well wrapped. But we'll take it out like that inside in this box. Here is my crush. It's Sony RX100M7. Yay! Not just this one, I also got this one, cover for my Sony RX100M7, and 2 extra batteries. Yes, that's the reason why the seller opened opened the box, this box earlier, so that he can check what kind of battery, what kind of extra battery that is suitable for my camera. And he's told me that it is this one, so I bought 2. I got cover for my camera, 2 extra batteries, and the RX100M7. We'll do the unboxing of the RX100M7. Just do it like that. Before I open it, this is what I told you. This is my crush. Okay. So, the first one you'll see are the booklets and the warranty. We'll get this one. I hope there's English here. Okay, we'll open first the camera. The very tiny but powerful camera. Ta-da! So suitable for me. So girlalush. What are the other items inside? I got this one. I don't know what it is for now. I got the battery. The original battery. And the charger. Yes, the charger plus something like this one that I could hang to my camera. Yeah. Camera so cute, isn't it? So cute, friends. This pretty camera that is so girlish like me is so compatible with the Røde Wireless Go. Yes, I also have a Røde Wireless Go. So let's try this Røde Wireless Go with this one. Will be like that. Something like that. We'll put it here. Mic jack. Yes, something like that. So maybe I'll just hang it like that along with tripod, something like that here, isn't it? But I'm looking forward to find a bracket that I could put it in place. This one. So my microphone isn't so bulky also, isn't it? Aren't they compatible? Aren't we compatible? That's right. Could be late. Okay, Sandra. Here comes my friends. They watch my unboxing of the Sony RX100M7. They are one of the reasons why I really love this place. Aside from the water lily that you can find there, you can find ducks swimming and sometimes swan. We are at home now. Yes, this place is part of my home, what I can call home. If you guys are thinking, is Sandra so crazy? Why she spend that much? Spend that much for this little camera? Maybe, or maybe not. Why? Because I love photography. I really love photography. And this small camera can zoom up to 200 mm. So powerful, right? So small camera. Before, I used to bring with me my DSLR and different types of lenses. And the load of the DSLR and the lenses, so huge compared to this one. So it will lessen burden on my shoulders, so my shoulders will be happy with this one. The next reason why I want this camera is because of the microphone jack. You can find it here, the microphone jack. the zooming capacity for my love of photography, and the microphone jack for my love of vlogging. What are the other features that made me decide to choose this one? You can find it here. It says here that it's capable of real-time tracking, real-time IAF, single burst shooting at up to 90 FPS, face detection 357, contrast detection 425 AF points. And as I told you earlier, it can zoom from 24 to 200 mm with a focal point of f2.8 to 4.5. So it's good for low light. It was stated here also that the angle of view 35 mm format equivalent. And one of the best feature of this camera is it could do blackout free shooting. Another feature, 1.0 type SEM OS sensor. It has 20.1 megapixels. It can it's touch screen for focus, shutter, and tracking. Another great feature for this camera is that it's capable of shooting 4K. And ta-da! The microphone jack, of course. Yes. There are other features here. One push access EVF and 180 degrees tiltable LCD. That's all, friends. The feature of Sony RX100M7.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you